I'm going to be transforming this laundry by painting the laminate countertop with Rust-oleum, and also I'm going to be painting the doors with Rust-oleum spray paint. So the first thing I'll do is I'll sand down the countertop. I'll remove the cupboard so I can take it outside to sand and paint, and I'll be removing the silicone first as well. So I'm sanding it with this sanding block. I can't see a lot of dust. The only thing I can see is just a bit of dust on here, but I'm gonna keep going for just do this, make sure everywhere is sanded. I'll probably use all sides of the sanding block to make sure I do really get down to the actual surface of the laminate. Make sure everything is sanded so that there's some grip, I guess, for the paint to stick on. Okay, after sanding and cleaning with sugar soap and also the mold killer, and now I'm ready to spray paint. I'm using Rust-oleum 2-in-1. This is paint and primer. We're gonna start with the first coat. So I'm gonna have to do a many thin coats. Okay, so this is after the first coat. I'm gonna put on the second coat now. Okay, so this is what it looks like with the third coat. I'm just gonna do another final fourth coat. Okay, so I've removed the door, I've sanded it down. I have also cleaned it with sugar soap, and now I've just sprayed it with this mold killer, and I'll let it sit for 30 seconds and then clean it off and then wait for it to dry before I put the first coat. Okay, for the purple door I'm using this black 2-in-1 primer and paint. I'll just go on the side first. Okay, so I've finished painting. It's dried for 24 hours now, and I put a layer of white silicone, and then I'm going to spray. Before I spread it, I spray it with Windex. What that does is on the walls and on the bench, it gives a layer of liquid so that when you swipe it, it doesn't make a mess. And then you just clean this off, and then you use paper towel and just wipe up the excess Windex.